Mortgage and life insurance brokers, you are leaving money on the table if you don't do this after the sale. In the Wealthy Advisor Club, I teach upselling techniques, cross-selling techniques, ways to get referrals, ways to get bigger premiums, ways to ask better questions. And these are all timed throughout the fact find at different stages. The upselling and the cross-selling, I even teach post-sale ways to do this. How you do reviews and rebrokes to your customers effectively. But the key to getting referrals is the time that you ask. It's mentioned at the IDD, then it's mentioned at a point of sale. And if you ask, right, if you ask for one or some referrals, right? Some people do this. They actually ask for referrals, but they get it wrong. They ask for some, if you got some names and numbers, if you got some, right? Some could mean anything to the customer. And if you ask for one, you typically only get one or none, right? When you ask for one or some, you get one or none. If you ask for three, you sometimes get two or three. If you ask for five, you sometimes get 4 or 5. If you ask for 10, you get 8 to 10. See the pattern? You get what you ask for, right? But if you're asking for some, if you're not even asking, you've got no chance, have you? You're definitely not going to get any. If you're asking for one or some, you're going to get minimal. If you're asking for 3, you're going to get 2 or 3. If you ask for 5, you're going to get 4 or 5. If you ask for 10, you're going to get 8 or 10. The more you ask for, the more you get, right? And often customers actually just, let's say you ask for 10, they'll get to about 6 and they'll say, well, how many is that? Because they are doing what you say, they are aiming for the 10. Why? Because you've showed them cap. You've seen other videos on this. Credibility, authority, perception. They know, like, and trust you. You've done the right things. They trust your advice. They like you. Why wouldn't they refer you to their friends and family? Why not? Referrals are free leads. If you got 8 referrals per customer and you only close 4 of them, how much is that worth to you? Your average case value is $1,000. About $4,000 per customer additional just by asking for 10 referrals in the right way. If you don't know how to ask, join the Wealthy Advisor Club. I teach you in detail. And it's not just me who's getting referrals, and it's not just my team who used to get referrals. There's people joining the community who've been in the industry 20 years, learning this, implementing it, and they are now getting referrals. Like, this works, right? You've just got to know how to ask in the right way. Position it right and ask for the right number at the right time, the right tone of voice in the right manner with the right cap on, and you're going to win. Yeah? The Wealthy Advisor Club. Online community. It's changing financial services right now. Free 7-day trial. If you want to get involved, send us a message or click the link. Go and see what it's about. Experience the sessions. And I'll hopefully see you on one of the calls, and I'll help you get more referrals.